You go, blow me down! Okay, you say it this time. You go, blow me down!
That or Daddy had something that really smells for lunch.
Blow me down! No? You ducked it. Are you doing this live?
I'm filming.
Oh, okay. I was just thinking you doing like a live conference thing, or?
Just stick your tongue out, you little booger.
Blow me down! Blow me down! Blow me down!
Okay, one more and Mom's gonna stop filming.
Okay. Blow me down! Yeah, blow it down! There we go.